Learn Korean with me.
안녕하세요.
Welcome to my channel Learn Languages. Today we are going to learn colors in Korean. Noransig means yellow.
노란, 색,
Kojasig means mustard.
겨자, 색,
Chorukseg means green.
초록, 색,
Undaseg means light green.
연두, 색,
Jinchorukseg means dark green.
진초, 녹색,
Hyanseg means white. You also say hinseg, it means white.
하얀, 색,
Komanseg, it means black.
검, 은색,
Balganseg, it means red.
빨, 간, 색, 주황색 민즈,
Orange.
주황, 색, 분홍색 민즈,
Pink.
분홍, 색,
Unbunongseg means light pink.
연분, 홍색, 보라색,
Means purple.
보라, 색,
Poraseg means violet.
보라, 색, 금색,
Means golden.
금, 색, 은색,
Means silver.
은, 색, 터키 옥색,
Means turquoise.
터키, 옥색,
Indigoseg, it means indigo.
인디, 고색,
Paranseg means blue.
파란, 색, 하늘색, 이트민즈,
Light blue
하늘, 색, 남색,
means dark blue, navy.
남, 색,
Kalsigit means brown.
갈, 색,
Hissigit means gray.
회, 색,
Pagesig means beige.
베이, 지색, 복숭아색,
It means peach.
복숭, 아색.
We are done with the today's lesson. Stay tuned for more.